Hey, I want to show you another Black Friday gift I got. This is called a little charging cable. Have you ever been at an airport and you needed to charge your phone, but your cables were in your suitcase or just wasn't readily available? Well, this kind of solves this problem. So it comes with this charging cable in this little plastic tee. And so you're going to press down on this little ring here, and you're going to take this little plastic part, if I can find where you press down at. So you're going to take this little plastic part off like this. You're going to remove it from the little chain here. And then you're going to take your iPhone case or Android and you're going to run it through where you charge your phone at. So it looks like this. Okay. Then you're going to put your phone back in your case. Make sure I have that right. Nope. So I have it back in my place. Then you're going to put your ring back on this little swivel right there. So this is hard to do when you're trying to hold it in front of the camera. I need a cameraman. So now it's hooked back on, and then see these little silver clasps right here. You just gotta undo. It has a little latch on it. It has a C cable at the end. And you take that off. And you take this off, and you put one in to your phone where your phone charges, like that, and you're going to take the other end and put it in a C adapter charger, and then you have a phone charger always hooked to your phone. That's pretty cool, isn't it?